Ever wondered where the magic behind your virtual phone system happens? Like, where is the actual headquarters of MightyCall? The place where all the tech wizards and customer support superheroes hang their hats. Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a digital detective journey to uncover the mystery of MightyCall's location. First things first, let's set the stage. MightyCall is this awesome cloud-based phone system that's been a game changer for businesses big and small. It's like having a personal assistant who can handle all your calls, messages, and even virtual receptionists. But where is this technological marvel born and bred? Now, you might be thinking, it's a cloud-based system, so it's probably in the cloud, right? Well, not exactly. While the magic of the software happens in the digital realm, there's still a physical place where the company is headquartered, where the brains behind the operation reside. So let's dive into the details. MightyCall is actually headquartered in Wilmington, Delaware, a state in the United States of America. That's right. The same Delaware known for its corporate tax havens is also home to this innovative communication platform. But Wilmington isn't just a random pick. It's a strategic location for a tech company like MightyCall. Delaware offers a business-friendly environment with favorable tax laws and a strong infrastructure. Plus, it's conveniently located on the East Coast, making it easily accessible for both domestic and international clients. Now, you might be wondering why this matters. Well, knowing the location of a company can give you insights into its culture, values, and even the level of customer support you can expect. For instance, a company headquartered in a time zone close to yours might offer better customer support hours. But MightyCall being in Wilmington doesn't mean you're limited to interacting with them from afar. The beauty of cloud-based technology is that you can access and manage your phone system from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So, whether you're running a business from a bustling metropolis or a quiet countryside, MightyCall is right there at your fingertips. However, while the headquarters might be in Wilmington, MightyCall's reach extends far beyond. The company has a global presence, serving businesses in various countries and regions. This means that even though the core team is based in Delaware, there might be offices or representatives in other parts of the world to cater to specific markets. So, the next time you're using MightyCall to impress a client or streamline your team's communication, remember that behind the sleek interface and powerful features is a team of dedicated professionals working hard from their headquarters in Wilmington, Delaware, and potentially other locations around the globe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, let us know in the comments if you have any other burning questions about MightyCall or other tech tools. We're always here to help you navigate the digital world.